Hi, so it's the next day. The Vitamix broke, it did not turn on anymore. I tell you in a different video what happened to mine and how you can fix it and what will happen to mine now. What happened with the hummus thing was that it overheated, and normally the Vitamix turns itself off as a protection for the motor, and then about an hour later, when it's cooled down, you can turn it back on. In my case that wasn't the case and I can't use it anymore. So I have this ½ kilo hummus now in the Vitamix container. I had it outside on the windowsill last night because it's cold enough. So it was basically in the refrigerator, outdoors. I take it out now and put it in my container. It will be hummus with a little bit with chunky hummus, because it's not, the chickpeas are not blended properly. I hope that the rest is. We will see, we have to eat it anyway. And I added a little bit of water yesterday on top. You will see inside so that it doesn't dry out on the surface. So when I take it out, I have to mix it a bit with the spoon. So or maybe I even pour a bit of the water out. Alright, I'll show you that. So you see the water here swimming around. I pour a little bit of that out because I think it's too much. And then we just scoop it out. So. Alright. Here is the hummus that killed the Vitamix with little chunks in it. And there will be a taste test combined with a different thing that we make. Cashew cheese pies, little mini ones.
They're like little quiches.
Quiches?
If they had onion and stuff in them, it'd be like a little quiche.
How to make them I show you in the next video. That will be an improvised video. And then we will do a taste test video of the quiche with the hummus, because it goes together.
Excellent.
Alright, so that was the quick hummus that took more than a day.
Hashtag fail. Hashtag not my hummus.
Hashtag not my hummus. Alright. If you want to donate 850 euros for a new Vitamix, you're welcome. Or maybe we can get it fixed. Alright, that was it today.